Oh, stop. Okay. Hi, I think we're recording. So anyway, I'm back and we're feeding and we're giving him some green beans today. He loves green beans, so we are going to see if that slows him down. So I'm gonna give him the release word, and let's see how fast it takes him. Good boy, take it. Nope. 5:05 Eastern Time. Hopefully, I'm trying this with a GoPro. It's the 8 Black. So yes, it's not one of their newest ones, but it works. So we're gonna see how well I can do that. And before I forget, I hope you like these videos. If you do, please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that so much. So he's eating Pro Plan. I'm watching his weight right now because I haven't been able to get out with him as much as I'd like because I was sick for the past couple of weeks. So I'm gonna slowly start getting into a routine where we're getting out. Are we done? Yay, good boy. Okay. Let's see. I think he ate it all. Oh, see. Knock that out with it. Oh, there's the water. Good boy. You ate it all. Alrighty. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a great day and please join us again. GoPro, stop recording.